this recipe, you would need a red cabbage, honey, brown sugar, soy sauce, garlic, cranberries, green onion, celery, toasted cashews, and lemon juice. Cut up your clove of garlic into small pieces. Add the garlic to your lemon juice. Add brown sugar. Add soy sauce and honey, and whisk it all together. Cut up your celery. Cut up green onions into circles. I added my green onions with my celery. I shredded my red cabbage in the food processor. I added my greens, that is the celery and green onions, my cranberries. I then put the dressing that I've whisked well. Mix it all up and then add your toasted cashew nuts.